So satisfying. Yes.
Hi guys, it's Mo. Welcome to today's video. So Natasha Denona released her Love collection, and I did already post a video all about the eyeshadow palette, the Love palette. And in that video, I explained that I wasn't sure if I was going to get the cheek palette. I did end up purchasing it, and it did arrive after the eyeshadow palette. So today's video is going to be focusing solely on the Love Glow Cheek Palette. This is the outer packaging, and here is the actual palette. So pretty. Oh yes. So today, along with swatches and some comparisons, I will be following along Natasha Denona's actual tutorial on how she says we should apply this. So, let's get started. There'll be timestamps down below if you want to skip ahead to any particular portion of today's video, but I will save the comparisons and such for the end. This is Natasha Denona's Love Glow Cheek Palette. You're getting 0.42 ounces. Retail is $55. It's a cheek palette in 4 shades of Picture Perfect Pink for blush and highlighting. So I'm just going to be doing finger swatches, no primer on my arm. So here we're going to start off with the diamond powder. Wow. Wow. The Glow Impact Powder. Glow Cream Base. Super Glow. Alright, so here are our swatches. So lucky for you, I have 2 cheeks. Because today I actually want to go in and apply this product as I would first go in, and then I'm actually going to go on Natasha Denona's Instagram and follow her tutorial. So I'm going to start by using my finger, and I'm going to go into the Glow Cream Base, pick up some product. I'm now going in with a Sonia G Soft Cheek, and I'm going to go into the Super Glow shade. I'm going to take my Wayne Goss airbrush, and I'm going to go into the Glow Impact Powder. That, to me, looks like the highlighting powder. This palette is not for your everyday natural looks. This is for when you want to glow and just be... We're going to go into the diamond powder, and I'm using that same Sonia G Soft Cheek brush. Oh my goodness. It's ridiculous. Alright, so this is my side where I applied the products. Let's head over to Natasha Denona's Instagram. Let's try and recreate her tutorial. Let's just follow along.
Always the best to use the cream base first.
She used her finger and applied the cream base, so I am going to do the same.
The powder highlighters melt into the cream base, and it just gives this beautiful natural shine and sheen to your skin. This glow cream base has a warm pinkish tone, but it is very subtle. When you apply it and blend it into your skin, it just gives you a natural flush to your cheekbones.
Now, she does say she likes to use her finger, but she's also, I see her now going in with a beauty sponge. So I I'm just following along. I'm taking my Juno & Co sponge and I'm just picking up a little bit of product. Yeah, I like the way the sponge blended this out. It's very pretty. And I agree. She's saying that you could definitely wear this all on its own just to give your skin a glow and a flush.
It's like a colorful highlighting powder. You can use it as a shiny blush, but you can also switch it onto the cheeks so you will...
So I cleaned off my soft cheek from Sonia G. And what I saw her do is I saw her tap and then kind of blend on her hand and then go back in, tap, 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 and then blend on her hand. She swipes it onto the cheeks. Then whatever's left on the brush.
Just to pop up the pearls.
She said this will pop up the pearls.
Glow to the cheeks. And then on the other side.
And Natasha went in with her finger to the Glow Impact powder, applying it on the highest points of the cheek.
Onto the higher cheekbones.
Oh, okay. So Natasha Denona took her finger and went into the diamond powder. And she is applying that on the highest points of the cheekbone. I like Natasha Denona's side. It is still really glowy, and this is not for every day. Definitely like Natasha Denona's side so much better. I feel very glowy. I feel very fresh. I could totally just slap on some mascara and be done right here. I really like this. Very happy with the outcome of this blush palette on the face. I think it's beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and do some comparisons, and then we'll wrap this video up. Here is Natasha Denona's Diamond and Blush palette. This recently went on sale, so I picked up this new one and got rid of the older one that I had. All right, so here we are side by side. All right, so I'm going to go into this cream blush, and I'm also going to go into the powder blush. And I'm going to swatch the cream and the Super Glow. So I'm putting the Love on top. Oh yes, very different. So in that diamond and blush palette, this is definitely not as glowy. This is more so a true pinky cream blush. I don't see any shimmers in there. If anything, the cream looks a little more vibrant and than the powder blush from the diamond blush palette. All right, so here we have blush palette and the Love palette side by side. Going into the Glow cream base and the cream blush. Oh yeah. So here is the cream base. And here is the cream blush. Oh, big difference. Do I dare even try to compare them? Here is Glow Extreme and Duo Glow. So Glow Extreme and Duo Glow. So here is the Love Palette's cream, and then the Love Palette's Super Glow. Here is the Diamond Powder and the Glow Impact. There was one shade from the Tan Bronze and Glow palette that I just wanted to quickly compare from the Love palette. Yeah, I want to compare those highlighter shades. So this is from the Bronze palette. Let's go here. And then this one from the Love palette. Yeah. The Love palette has definitely got some more pink to it versus the bronze one that's a lot more champagne. All right, now this last one is the Duo Glow in number 1 Alba. Ooh. This is intense. And here is the Super Glow. This one is definitely more that gold shifting corally pink to the one in the Love palette. Swatches have been done. Application to the face was a success, I must say. And I definitely prefer the Natasha Denona side. My side is cool, but Natasha Denona side. I really enjoyed playing around with this palette, and I do like the idea that you can go in with the cream and just blend it with the sponge and get a super flush of color with super glow. So beautiful. That's just a nice, easy, and go style. And then you can go in with any other of the products and just build on your glow factor. Let me know your thoughts on this palette. Did you pick it up? Are you loving it? Let's chat. Thank you so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.